Hello, hello, hello. This is Els coming here from Bemis Crafty Corner, and this is Monday. What does Monday mean? Monday means bags. I went on a little bitty Scaventure today. Not a lot, just a little bitty bit. So I got this one, $3.99, which means $1.99 to me. And there's a little tin in here with a foamy on the bottom. I don't know what it is. Oh, here we go. Vera Bradley mini desk set. Mini stapler, staples, highlighter, scissors, and tape dispenser. Well, that's not what's in there now. Now it's empty. A tiny little cheap calculator. Raised die stamp pad mulberry. And memories black. And this one here, Versamark. I don't know if it's juicy. Oh, it's juicy. Ew. Yep, juicy. Okay. Alright. Then the next bag I got was this one right here for $4.99, which means $2.49. Now, this is not for crafting. No. I got this just because I wanted them. Because they're cute. I'm going to give them to Hubber. Okay, let's see. Ready? Get down here and get the plug. Okay. Alright, I got the plug. Woohoo! Alright, well, they're getting me a little bit of work, but they're cute, aren't they cute? Okay. Yes, I'm a giant child. Leave me alone, people. Alright. So those are too cute. Anyway, so I had to get those for the Hubber. Alright, then I found this bag. And this bag was $3.99. So $1.99 to me. Okay. Be sure to look for other DK Inker products. These are rubber stamps. These are all like garden stamps. And then there's this one. It's got the months and the days. Okay. And then there's this one that says Buddy Bash. Kind of cool. And then these ones here, which is a set of alphabet letters. So those are probably going to go in my auction. Alright, what else? Okay. Let me get this stuff out of the way. Then I found this one. And this one was $3.99, so $1.99 to me. Alright. So in here is a pattern. But look at all this yummy numminess. Isn't this pretty? Look. Oh, it's so pretty. Pretty, huh? Okay. And then there was this one. And that's antique. Very old. Yep. And there was this one. Vintage. And there's this one. This one's like a silk. It's sort of a ribbon, but it's really wide. But that's vintage. This is definitely vintage. Yep, it's got the vintage smell. And then there was this. Oh my gosh. Look at how much there is. Look at. It just goes on and on and on. There's so much of it. Yep, smells like vintage. Then there's this. I have no need to tie anybody up. And then there was a zipper. I don't need that either. What else did I get on my Scaventure today? Oh, yeah. All right, next. We've all seen the paper that I used to put on my book. Well, I went back to the store today, and I bought some more. I bought this one, and I bought this one. Isn't that pretty? And then I bought this one. Look at it, gorgeous. And I am going to put all of these in my sale. Yeah, I'm going to sell them. I even got special boxes from the post office to ship them in. I did. So, put them in here, safekeeping. We don't want nothing to happen to them. And put this little one in there too. Okay. So, I got paper. And I got some yummy goodies. And it's all going to be in the auction. You guys wanted antique lace? I went and found you some antique lace. All right. So, that's it. That was everything. I didn't really do a lot today. I didn't buy no books. Nothing came in. I haven't checked the mail yet. That could be. I should go check the mail. Hold on, I'll go check. Okay. So now the question is, what's in my mailbox? All right. So let's take a look at the first one. First one says home decor. It's the locks that go with the hinges that I ordered. These are going to be going into my Etsy shop. And this one says home decor. Could it be? What could it be? Oh. This is a crystal ball with an eyeball and stars. It's going to be going in the Etsy shop. And there's this one. Look at that. That's going into Etsy too. Isn't that cool? What is this? 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 You know what I think this is? I think that this is my package that was delivered to the wrong address. They said they delivered it, but according to the tracking record, it was delivered in Georgia. And I don't live in Georgia. Nope. Bima lives in the desert. So let's see. Good gravy. Never be able to get in here. Oh, packing slip. Yes, this is it. This is what I was looking for. Okay. Unfortunately, it doesn't want to come out. Okay. Alright. Get this out of here. Alright, we're going to have to do this the hard way. Need bigger scissors. How you like me now? Yep, these are them. Okay. Okay. Whew. That was exhausting. Hold on, I need a break. Ooh. All right, that was rough. Okay, so these are, this is the sticker set for Graphic 45 Midnight Masquerade. And I have several of the paper packs for this, as well as some cardstock. And how do I lose things? I don't know. The chipboard set. And so guess what? I am going to be making another journal. And I'm going to be doing it out of the Midnight Masquerade collection from Graphic 45, and kind of filling in, you know, where I need to with other paper. But we're going to be doing this. This is going to be our next album. Okay? So we'll be getting started on this probably next week. All right. Well, guess what? That's what's in my mailbox today. All right. So till the next time, if you haven't done so, please hit that red button right there. Like me. Ring my bell. Spread me around all your friends. I got like stuff and more stuff and more stuff. And I'm going to make a book. And I got stuff. Until next time. Bye-bye.